if you connect your OBI the very first time to your computer, you will see this offline. So use F1 shortcut and search for the OBI system. After a few seconds, depending on your network, you will find your OBI. Select this device if it's on the same subnet and apply and exit. After a couple of seconds, you will see that the message changed to timeout. Let's verify the online status. For that, press F3. Or you can use the menu, go to Setup and Status. Now you should see 3 tabs, and you see general information about the system, the message list, and in the Advanced tab, you can see some temperature from the CPU and your license. In the lower button, you see the firewall settings you need.